and excited. This is a party and guys are invited. And the girl them so from combined. Girl in a bikini could be less private. Every cat is pretty so we big up every stylist. Cause I them out and clean and filing. It is in a beat right from them decided. Money get the door then we hide it. Stand up at the dance and a place she a ride it. Select a play good and don't go with our line. The party a nice girl. The party a nice girl.
Continue to follow A460. Please leave the roundabout at the second turning and continue to follow A5.
Fifteen minutes later.
You make of this? I don't think that either driver covered themselves in glory in this situation. The DVSA driver wouldn't need me to tell him that he could have anticipated what was happening better. But since witnessing this incident, I've been wondering if that DVSA officer might have brought the manner of the driving from the silver car to the attention of maybe the police or someone. I'd like to know what your thoughts are that happened in that little clip. I'm not one of these truck drivers who thinks that the DVSA are out to get drivers. In fact, quite the opposite. They are the only protection between employees and drivers who might be a little bit unscrupulous. Luckily enough, I don't think I've had any interaction with the DVSA for around 20 years or so, and that's been down to mainly the companies I've worked for. These companies have always wanted to keep everything above board and legal. The maintenance has always been second to none. The one problem I did have with the DVSA officer driving that car though, was that a few short miles later, the mist came down. Even on the National Highways matrix above the motorway, you were being warned of fog in the vicinity. I'm interested to know just how many drivers watching this video at this point would have more than their front daytime running lights on. It just goes to show that mistakes do happen.